Puzzles and Riddles. Get ready to flex those brain muscles. We'll throw down 5 puzzles. Can you crack them before I do? Leave your answers in the comments below. Number 01. I have cities, but no houses. I have mountains, but no trees. I have water, but no fish. I have roads, but no cars. What am I?
The answer is map.
Number 2. What has an eye but cannot see? A head but cannot think, and a neck but no body. What is it?
The answer is needle.
Number 3. I have a face, but no eyes to see. I have hands, but cannot hold anything. I tell time, but have no voice. What am I?
The answer is clock.
Number 4. I have a neck, but no head. I have a body, but no legs. I wear a coat, but feel no cold. What am I?
The answer is bottle.
Number 5. I have wings, but cannot fly. I can open, but have no key. I hold knowledge, but have no brain. What am I?
The answer is book.
Thanks for puzzling with me, friends. We've got more mysteries to unravel. Subscribe and join our puzzle party for the next challenge.